Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for pocket watch enthusiasts. Today I bring you an unboxing from an eBay auction, a Cyma with brevet, unfortunately with a completely damaged balance wheel. The seller did not provide any information about the condition of the watch, so it turned out to be a true blind auction. And the result? A broken watch, with several issues to be fixed. Watch the video until the end and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you all for the support, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. We're very close to reaching 1,000 subscribers. Cyma is a Swiss watchmaking brand founded in 1862 in Tavannes, Switzerland, by the brothers Joseph and Theodore Schwab. From the beginning, it stood out for the quality of its movements and technical innovation. In the early 20th century, Cyma became one of the largest watch manufacturers in Switzerland, producing everything from elegant pocket watches to robust wristwatches. It was also recognized for its collaboration with Tavannes Watch Company, which allowed it to expand production and gain international reputation. During the 1920s to 1950s, the brand gained prestige for manufacturing precise, durable, and affordable watches, widely exported to Europe, America, and even military markets. Some models signed Cyma Tavannes are still highly sought after by collectors today. Cyma 19B caliber. Maker, Cyma Watch Company / Tavannes Watch Company, Switzerland. Production period, late 19th to early 20th century, 1890-1920. Type, pocket watch movement, 19 lineas is almost equal to 42.8 millimeters. Key features. Swiss lever escapement. 3/4 plate or bridge layout. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Hand wound, stem wind and set. Versions ranged from simple to higher grade, extra jewels, finer finishing. Quality, known for being robust, reliable, and relatively easy to service. Use, mostly fitted in Cyma and Tavannes pocket watches, aimed at customers seeking solid Swiss quality at an accessible price. Note, this caliber helped establish Cyma / Tavannes as a major Swiss manufacturer, competing in volume with Longines and Omega in the early 1900s.